everybody knows if the sentences are related to future. For example, वह करेगा, वह जाएगा, वो खाएगा, etc. So we use will or shall. In earlier days, with I or we used to use shall. But nowadays, everybody has started to use only will. Either there is I, we, he, she, it, or they. With every person, with everybody, people have started to use will. But still, there are some people who follow grammar so wisely, so nicely that they use shall with I and we, and they use will with everybody else. For example, they, he, she, it, etc. So hello viewers, this is Vanita. Welcome to my channel. In my today's video, you will get to know where will be used and where shall be used. So first of all, if with verb ga, gi, ge is used, then sentences are considered of future. वह आएगा, he will come. वह जाएगा, he will go. मैं खाऊंगा, I will eat. मैं बैठूंगा, I will sit. मैं कहूंगा, I will say. मैं उसे कल मिलूंगा, I will meet him tomorrow. कल उनकी शादी होगी, they will get married tomorrow. हम 9:15 बजे आएंगे, we will come at 9:15. वह पक्का यहाँ आएगा, he will definitely come here. वह पक्का जीतेगा, he will surely win. तुम 1-2 दिन में ठीक हो जाओगे, you will get better in couple of days. हम जल्द ही निर्णय लेंगे, we will take the decision soon. हम ये मैच जीतेंगे, we will win the match. मुझे और पैसे लगेंगे, I will need some more money. ये जूते 2 साल और चलेंगे, these shoes will last for more than 2 years. कक्षा 6 बजे खत्म होगी, the class will be over at 6 o'clock. To express possibility, will is used. इस साल गर्मी ज़्यादा पड़ेगी, the summer will be hot this year. वो घर पर होगा, he will be at home. To express daily habit, will is used. For example, वो मेरी बात कभी नहीं सुनेगा, he will never listen to me. वो केवल अपने पिता की सुनेगा, he will only listen to his father. Now we will do shall. Shall is used with I and we. Everybody is supposed to use shall with I and we. Will is actually not grammatically that correct. However, because of today's trend, people have started to use will with I and we. However, to be grammatically perfectly correct, you need to use shall with I and we. For example, बहुत ठंड है, क्या मैं खिड़की बंद कर दूं? It's very cold. Shall I close the window? क्या हम बाहर खाना खाएं? Shall we eat out today? क्या अब हम निकलें? Shall we leave now? हम कहाँ मिलें? Where shall we meet? क्या मैं तुम्हें स्टेशन पर छोड़ दूं? Shall I drop you at station? मैं ये बैग कहाँ रखूं? Where shall I put this bag? If you want something to definitely happen, then also shall is used. For example, तुम्हें तुम्हारा हक जरूर मिलेगा, You shall get your right definitely. उसे वहां जाने की अनुमति मिलनी ही चाहिए, She shall be permitted to go there. चिंता मत कीजिए, मैं आपको स्टेशन पर लेने जरूर आऊंगी. Don't worry, I shall definitely come to receive you at station. वो यहाँ नहीं आ सकते, They shall not come here. So this was today's video. If you have any query, please comment, like, subscribe and share. Do give your feedback too.